What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making a 4-cheese mac and cheese. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need elbow noodles, cheddar cheese, Colby jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, smoked Gouda, butter, heavy whipping cream, flour, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Start by shredding all 4 cheeses. Brown noodles according to the directions on your package. In a skillet, add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes to cook down the flour. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Season the taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and smoked paprika. Add a handful of each cheese. Add cheese sauce to pasta and mix. In a cast iron skillet, add a layer of mac and cheese. Top with a handful of each cheese. Add another layer of mac and cheese. Top with a handful of all 4 cheeses, paprika, and parsley. Bake on 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And there you have it, 4 cheese mac and cheese. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.